Okay guys, a couple tools that you'll need to know how to use to complete your Google Doc today. You can use, so for this repeated multiplication form, in order to get this dot here, what I suggest you use is the new equation. So you find that under Insert and then Equation, and wherever your cursor is that's where it will show up. Once you've done that, then it shows up here on your toolbar because I've already used it once in this document. So, but then once I close out of the document, then I have to go back to Insert an Equation. So I'm just gonna, I have my cursor here, I'm gonna click on New Equation, and then you see all these choices here, and you can just kind of click through them to see what they are. But this one is your operations. So I'm gonna put in my 2, and then I'm gonna hit my dot. Whoops, I forgot my 2. And then I'm gonna hit my dot and 2. So that takes care of this 2 squared. Then I'm going to hit enter or return, and that's going to clear that out. And then I want to space over a little bit. I want to put in a multiplication sign this time so that you understand that I'm multiplying this 2 squared times the 2 to the 4th. And then I'm going to go over a little bit. I'm going to hit new equation again, and then I'm going to write out this 2 to the 4th power in expanded form. So I'm going to hit 2, and then I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to hit my dot and 2, and then my dot, and then 2, and then my dot, and then 2. Then I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm done with that equation. Now, if I want to make a change, I can just click on that, and you see the little blue box shows up. That means that's where my cursor is, and I can make changes in there. Now I want to come over here because I want to write all of this as a single power. So now I'm going to show you how to use the new equation to write an exponent. So I have my cursor where I want it. I'm going to hit new equation, and then I'm going to go to this where it says math operations, and I'm going to hit this x to the b power because that's my exponent, and I'm going to put in my 2, and then I'm going to hit my return key, and that makes it the exponent. And we know that 2 plus 4 is 6, and so then I would put my 6. Then I'm going to hit enter. That takes it, but the cursor back to the baseline, and then I'm going to hit enter to be done. So that's how you use the new equation tool or the equation tool in Google Docs.